Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey to create a delightful bowl of Ramadan yogurt soup. In this video, we'll share our cherished recipe for this creamy and refreshing dish, perfect for breaking the fast during Ramadan. With tangy yogurt, fragrant herbs, and a hint of spice, this soup is sure to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your soul. Let's dive in and discover the rich flavors of Ramadan together. Ingredients: 2 cups plain yogurt, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, and ½ cup rice, rinsed, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried mint, salt and pepper to taste, fresh mint leaves for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: in a large pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the rinsed rice to the pot, along with the ground cumin and dried mint. Stir well to coat the rice with the spices. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, stirring to incorporate all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked through and tender. In a separate bowl, whisk the plain yogurt until smooth. Gradually add the yogurt to the soup, stirring constantly to prevent curdling. Continue to cook the soup over low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed, adding more salt and pepper to taste. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh mint leaves. Serve the Ramadan yogurt soup hot, accompanied by lemon wedges for squeezing over the soup. Conclusion: there you have it, a creamy and refreshing Ramadan yogurt soup that's perfect for breaking your fast or enjoying any time of the year. Whether you're observing Ramadan or simply craving a comforting bowl of soup, this recipe is sure to hit the spot. Give it a try and savor the rich flavors of Ramadan. Ramadan